Last month I made $60,000 using a strategy that takes me less than 5 minutes to set up. No indicators, no complicated chart patterns, no sitting at my screen all day, just one level, one time frame every single day. And today I'm going to show you exactly how it works step by step so you can do the same thing. Here's the thing most traders get wrong. They overcomplicate everything, 15 indicators on their chart, 4 different time frames, staring at the screen for 12 hours a day and still lose money. This strategy uses one thing, the 50% level on the daily candle. Every day at 5 p.m. Eastern, the daily candle closes. You mark the range low to high, you find the 50% and then you wait for the retest on the 1 hourly chart. Above 50% you go long, below you go short. Target 3-to-1 risk to reward ratio every single time. That's it, that's the whole strategy and it made me $60,000 last month. Let me show you exactly how to set this up. So what we're going to do here is taking advantage of these quick expansion moves to the upside or quick retracement moves into the lower levels. But let me explain you how we're going to do that exactly here on the daily chart with a daily candle. So you have here your daily candle. That daily candle is closing every day at 5 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. And what we're going to do is when the candle is closed, we're going to mark out the range from low to the high of that day. We're going to remove all these fib levels, but it's totally up to you how many you want to have on there. But here, to make it just pretty easy and easy to understand, we're just going to focus on the 50% level on the Fibonacci retracement tool. And this is the level that we need to watch here, because when the candle is closed, what you want to watch for the following candle is either a move coming and retest when price closes above the 50%, retesting this and then moving away again, or when we are below the 50% level, let's say we are here price wise, then we come up here, retest this and then get continuation to the downside, potentially break even below and continue into lower levels. Let me show you some examples. For this we go here back to that chart. So I mark out here from this daily candle the low and the high, as I just have shown you. I mark also out here with a line where that candle closed and go to a 1 hourly chart, because this is the time frame for that we gonna operate from. So we need to go always back to 1 hourly chart. So here, as you can see, everything has progressed a little bit already. So let me go and do this here. And now you're going to watch where price is going. Is it going to the upside or is it going to the downside from here? So it starts out to go to the upside. So you would have entered here a trade based on that, because price was starting to move away and got a retest on the 50% level. And you would have targeted here a risk to reward ratio of 3, so 3 RR. We almost ran here into the stop loss, but avoided that by, we almost ran here the stop loss, but let's see if we are actually doing that or getting away. Okay, we are getting away with it. And here price is starting to move in our desired direction. And there we hit our take profit point. So now the next thing that we need to look at, was this still at the same day or was this already a new day? So if this is happening before the new daily candle is closing in that range where we are trading in right now I let this trade run. I'm not closing it. I just open a new trade if the opportunity presents itself. So let's go back here to a daily chart. So here's the next daily candle. Oh, come on. There's the next daily candle. So we do the same thing again, here from top, bottom to top. We go back to the 1 hourly chart. And also here, we would have set up a new trade. Based on that price started to move away, touched here the upper range, came back to the 50%, And basically here we would have entered this. Again, stop loss slightly below the low for that day, and then risk to reward ratio 1 to 3. And as you can see, that would have also perfectly played out, and this would have been actually the same day, if I'm, or almost close to the same day, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, so basically the next 1 hourly candle of the following day would have closed both positions of the previous day. So now we would have had 2 successful trades here already. So we would be sitting on 6 RR because we had 3 RR over here, and then we would have had here another plus 3 RR. That makes a total of 6. And now we have a new range because of the following daily candle. So here the next one. So we are looking now at this one here. And we just keep doing this every single day. And there will be, of course, days where we don't get a trade activated. This will be also happening. So here we came now from the bottom range and broke above the 50%. So there's no trade for now on that day. Let me actually here go into and do this. No trade for now. Yeah, so here same thing again. Price came down while we were before expanding to the upside. 50% was retested. We're looking for a free RR. And as you can see, the range is now way bigger. From the low to the high, that's now a really big range. So here we are targeting free RR for that day, and here would have this daily candle ended. Trade is active, and that happened. So we would have gotten stopped out here on this one. We would have lost 1 RR. So that means from 6 we would have went to 5 total. And then we go back to the daily. Do the same thing again. Low to high. 1 hourly chart. So here we just retested the 50%. Let's see if price can move away from this. Yeah, in continuation to the downside. So here, perfect example why you would have shorted here. Because we, in this first candle of the day, we got a bearish engulfing to the downside, retested the 50%, came up here. So here, this would have been your entry on that short, because we broke below the 50% and continued lower. So here in this scenario, we would have set up a short and would have targeted also here free RR. Let's do like this here, free RR. There we go. So let's see, this would have also been the following day already, but this trade would have been activated, so we would let this run. And there the trade would have been successful, and then it started to turn around. Let's see the next daily range. Next daily range all the way down here to this range here. Just want to make sure that I get this accurately. And here you can see price started to move to the upside in that daily candle. Retested the 50%, and it would have meant we would have opened here a long position. So, but first, let us add again another free RR from here. So it would have been now a total 8 RR. Another long position from here. Want to make sure that we have our risk to reward ratio at 3 RR. There. And then we let price do the rest. And that sometimes can happen, you know, but you need to have the conviction. So here, as you can see, we would have hit after 4 days holding this, our next take profit here, our next free RR for that position. You can decide if for over 2 days we are not seeing here anything, if you want to close that slightly in a profit or not and just move on. That really depends on how you are doing this, but I usually let these run and then just open a new position if other positions present itself over that period. So now let me remove this here. So I would just make here a note that here was plus RR, because then I remove this and we go back to daily, and you see how simple the strategy is. Everybody can do this. There's nothing major to it to understand, besides that you are always just marking out the low and the high, and then go back to your 1 hourly chart to find your entry, and then rinse and repeat this whole process. So this is just one of many strategies I teach inside my mentorship. If you want me to personally help you master setups like this, book a free strategy call with me. The link is in the description. There's no strings attached, and if we're not a good fit, no hard feelings. But let me keep showing you how this plays out. Here, for example, and I go now over here. As you can see, price started out to come into the downside, bearish retest to the downside. We would have entered here definitely a short in this candle. Tight stop loss. Let's see, could we have here barely, really barely a free RR. I would count this. I would count this as a free RR. So we had now 8, is what I said. So now we are at 11. RR on this one here, and then here 14. I want to mention here that this does not this does not have to be the case every single day that you get an opportunity to trade. Sometimes the rules are not aligning, and then of course you're not trading. You always need to follow your rules. So if the 50% level is not getting retested in either direction, then of course you're not entering into a trade, you're not forcing a trade here. So here in this scenario, for example, we had here that day where no trade was happening, and that is absolutely okay, even if that would have gone on for another 2 or 3 days. But usually after 2 or 3 days you get then a directional move that will allow you to jump here into a trade. This one strategy did 14 RR in a matter of just few days, and this is just the surface of what I cover with my mentorship students one-on-one. If you are serious about becoming consistently profitable, book a free strategy call with me. The link is right below. We will look at your trading, figure out what's holding you back, and if I can help you, great. If not, no hard feelings. It's a free call, no strings attached. I see you in the next one.